Welcome to Mountain Valley, Baltistan. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more information visit us my website, link in description. Contact us on Instagram GJ Baltistani. The Khamush Waterfall is one of the most stunning waterfalls in Pakistan. It is located in Khamsagan village in Baltistan's Kharmang district and is said to be the highest ever flowing waterfall of South Asia. The word khamosh means quiet in Urdu and khamosh means silent in Persian. The Khamush Waterfall is a natural attraction for many tourists who visit the region. The fall has an elevation of 2,565 meters and a width of 2.5 kilometers. It is also considered as the longest waterfall in Pakistan with a height of around 300 meters. The Khamush Waterfall is one of Baltistan's most popular tourist attractions. Thousands of tourists from all over the world visit it every year to enjoy its beauty and spectacular views from different angles. Especially during winter when there are no leaves on trees to obstruct viewing, or during spring when flowers are in full bloom. The water cascades over a cliff, dropping down a 300-meter vertical rock face before flowing into a valley, where it travels about 2 kilometers before joining the Indus River at Bunchi village. The Khamush Waterfall is one of the most popular waterfalls in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. It is located in Baltistan's Kharmang district, which is about 30 kilometers from Skardu. The water flows down the cliffs and forms a pool before it falls down into a small valley nearby. The size of the pool depends on how many waterfalls are at that time, but it can be as large as 50 by 50 meters. The Khamush Waterfall is a beautiful waterfall situated in Khamsagan village. The water flows from a large height and crashes to the ground, giving out a loud thump. It takes about 2 hours to reach the waterfall from Kharmang town. The Khamush Waterfall is located in Baltistan's Kharmang district and it can be reached after a 2-hour trek from Kharmang town.